that very cover. Hacker class comes into the play. They're just now waiting. Pero sa pagpasak, and eto na, nagsasarado na ang zone. Mapipilitan na silang pumalag.
Nagkapalagan ng Papasin, pinatay naman si Zero of the RGT, ginamitan na naman ng kanyang sniper rifle, gagalaw naman ito si Papito, pinatay naman ni Seti, ito si Zero, gamit ang AK-117, nagkakaagawan na sila ng kanilang mga pinapatay, dinerecho na naman ang ating mga 4 Kings of Alone, Fubunaki out hand sa Wamsi, a light, pinapagaan ni Tokyo of the 4 Kings, ang ganda ng AK-117, momentum, moving gameplay, grabing galawan, pero si Remy, nilaglag ng kaniyang kalaban.
Here we go, kung sino bang malalaglag. Is that gonna be 4 Kings? Is that gonna be RVH? Because looking at it earlier, we still have 4 teams, but let's see, maybe I am wrong. But looking at it, Tokyo, closing out the gap! Yun! Being knocked down! And here we go! Another win